It's really easy to kind of keep your car tidy and organised. Number one, the trash in your car. Every single time you refuel your car, spend the 5 minutes going through the car, grabbing trash,
cleaning it out,
and throwing it into the trash can at the gas station. Simple, get into that routine. It will help to keep the car in order. Number two, things get all over the place in your car. Consider using... Grab your tea for a sec, Dale.
Sure, babe.
Consider using simple crates, milk crates or crates like this. Get 2 of them, throw them in the trunk of the car. One for your groceries so they don't roll around. You're not going to have those soda cans all over the car. And help me here, for all of the sports stuff.
One for all the stuff for the kids or for
exactly.
you. Right.
So when people get out of the car, they don't leave the car empty-handed. Grab a crate and take it into the house.
Take it in, put the stuff away.
Super simple. Okay. Look. I don't know if you realise this, but gift cards have, for the last 10 years, gift cards have been the single most requested gift during the holiday season. And every year there is $1 billion...
Unspent, right?
Unspent of gift cards.
Unclaimed,
Yeah.
right.
So here is your own little money box you're going to find at home. Go around your home and find gift cards, coupons, anything else, and make sure they live in one place. Make sure they stay in one place. Now, before you go out shopping... Check in here. Shoes can really get out of control, and here's a simple way just to decide what shoes stay, what shoes go. Grab all the shoes out of your closet and line them up like this. Just throw those down here, the second row down here. It's often best to arrange the like ones together, heels, flats, sports stuff, and then go down the row and just say, well, you know, I never wear those, I never wear those, I never wear those, and I never wear those. Once you've got rid of the ones you never wear, then try the 5-to-1 rule. For every 5 you keep, decide which one will go. For every 5 you keep, decide which one will go. Get rid of some shoes without it feeling overwhelmed.
Right.
So first the ones you never wear, get rid of, and then look at where you have moldables and decide what should go. It's a pretty simple way to deal with your shoes. Give it a shot.
And donate them if they're still wearable, please.
This is for kitchen gizmos and tools. This is called the 1-month cardboard box test. Here's what you should do. Grab every single utensil from your utensil drawer from your hand and throw it in this box.
I love this one. You've done this before. It's awesome.
So here's what you do. For the next month, let's swap sides here.
Yeah.
For the next month, every time you use an item, barbecue, use it, wash it back in the drawer. Making mojitos?
Yeah. Oh, this we need.
Okay, back in the drawer. So any item that you use over the next month, put it back in the drawer. At the end of 4 weeks, if you haven't used an item, with the exception of something like a turkey baster or something like that,
that's a holiday-oriented tool.
Really consider whether you should hold on to it.
Or go bye-bye.
And send them all off to charity.
Exactly. Send it to Soup
Cool.
Kitchen. What's this one?
Look, food storage containers are a nightmare for many people, the plastic food storage containers.
Right.
My advice is to hold on to some of them for when people come to visit and you want to give them food to take home.
Right.
Just a few for them. For the rest, bite the bullet and buy a really good set of glass containers. Get rid of the plastic. They stack easily, standardised lids, they clean easily, and it just avoids that whole thing of hundreds of containers of different sizes.